Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
This morning it was my pleasure to share in a group of interfaith leaders this morning at St. Mark's Lutheran Church at the monthly San Francisco Interfaith Council meeting. I talked about the importance of using our collective voices, not just to speak truth to power, but also to speak truth to ourselves. Our statement here today is not just a statement to the larger community, but by your presence here tonight, you are telling yourself that there are some things you are not going to give up without a fight.
That's right.
You are telling yourself that there are some things that you are just not going to take. You are not going to take a measure by any institution that forces off high school students of our city who are desiring to make themselves better. You are not going to take a measure. You can give them a ride on.
Yes!
You're not going to take this laying down.
All right.
So this is not just you standing up for this measure. This is you standing up for the rest of your life.
All right.
Speaking truth to power, speaking truth to yourself, speaking up for the marginalized and the distrodden in our community, and most importantly, having the courage to speak on behalf of God on high. Takes a lot of courage to speak on God's behalf. How I wish this institution had that same kind of courage.
Yes!
I don't think God is in their words. I do not believe that God is in their conversation. And I hope and I pray that the flames that we are holding tonight is evidence that God is with this circle. That he held back the rain, though he sent the cold, to allow us to come out. This little light of mine,
Yes.
I'm going to let it shine. Everywhere I go, I'm going to let it shine. On the Lone Mountain campus,
Yes.
Let it shine.
I'm going to let it shine. In front of Father Prevet's office,
Most definitely.
I'm sure going to let it shine. All over San Francisco, I'm going to let it shine. But most importantly, in my heart, in my soul, and in my mind,
Yes.
I'm going to let the light of justice, of truth, and of goodwill shine this day and forevermore.
Yes.
God bless you, and may his truth continue to march on.
Amen. Wonderful.
Thank you, Reverend. Thank you. Thank you. Do we have any Upward Bound youth in the audience? Come on, Upward Bound youth. Have a couple of you step forward. Share a few words of what this means to you.
Come on, Gold. Go, Gold. President. You're the president. Just say your name first. You say how long you've been studying, what school you go to.
All right. Do I have your number?
This number.
Text it up.
You just hold this black button.
Text it up.
All right, I'll text it to you.
Okay.
Good evening.
Good evening.
I'm Goldemir Clemente, and I go to Raoul Wallenberg High School. I admit I don't command a great stage presence as
You're doing just
the orators before me. However,
Speak for
one thing that comes to mind in this moment was, in the words of a 20th century poet, W.B. Yeats, education is not the filling of a bucket, but the lighting of a fire.
All right. Say that again. Hold it closer. Say it again.
Education is not the filling of a bucket, but the lighting of a fire. And I just don't understand how anyone could put that fire out.
All right now.
I admit, and in all honesty, I'm at loss for words.
That's all right.
What I can do for you guys is to stand with you and fight for this just cause.
That's right.
Right on.
All of you that stand before me now, you are my heroes. Thank you.
Let's talk.
Hi.
Hi.
Give a shout out to your school.
I go to George Washington High School. I'm in the grade.
Say it again.
Once again, I go to George Washington High School, and I'm in the 11th grade. I've been in Upward Bound since freshman year, and they've been through everything with me. This is my home. I don't want it to be taken away, because I love it here so much.
That's right. Speak from your heart.
And this is wrong, because you wouldn't want your home to be taken away. It's not right.
Alright, so first, let's give a shout out to Elisa for spitting her heart out. Alright, so my name is Eduardo. I go to Lowell High School. I'm a junior, so I've been in Upward Bound since freshman year. I really didn't know about the program because I didn't know about the program until one of my friends told my dad about it. So my parents signed me up for it because they thought it would be good for me. I didn't really know about Upward Bound. I remember my first day here, I called Ernest to make an appointment because I needed help in biology. So I remember coming here. I remember my first tutor, which was Amy, who helped me so much in bio to help me pass. And since then, I've been coming here every day, basically, because each year I needed a special subject, extra help in, because I didn't get the material or something. And this is like my second home to me. If they take it away from me, then I don't know what I'm gonna do without Upward Bound, because I'd probably be lost. I wouldn't be getting the grades I'm getting right now. So they shouldn't take it away from us. It's just not right. I mean, Lyndon Johnson went through all this trouble to get this program here, and now they want to take it away from us. That's not a right thing to do. Thanks.
Where's Kim?